Welcome to the Millionaire Mindset channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and transformative principles for anyone chasing success and financial freedom: the power of clear and specific goals. Have you ever felt lost? Like you're running but don't know where you're headed? A lot of us have dreams, but the difference between a dream and a goal is clarity and commitment. As the famous author Tracy says, "A goal without a plan is just a wish." In this video, we're going to break down why clarity is so crucial, how your brain aligns with that clarity, and a step-by-step guide to turn your wishes into a solid action plan. Get ready to change the way you think about your future. The science behind goal setting. Picture your brain as an incredibly powerful GPS. For it to work and get you to your destination, you need to punch in the exact address. If you just say, "I want to go to a cool city," it won't know where to take you. That's how it works with your life. Tracy popularized a Harvard study, though some question its accuracy, that carries a key lesson. The study claimed that only 3% of a graduating class had written goals, and 20 years later, those 3% were more financially successful than the other 97% combined. The takeaway: writing down specific goals builds a bridge between vague desires and tangible reality. When you write a goal, your brain activates something called the reticular activating system, RAS. It's like a filter that starts noticing opportunities and information relevant to your goal. Suddenly, you see possibilities that were always there but went unnoticed because you hadn't given your brain a clear address. Real examples. Vague goal: I want to make more money. Specific goal: I'm going to increase my income by 20% in the next 12 months by finding new clients and launching a digital product. See the difference? One's a wish, the other's a roadmap. Now that we get why this matters, let's get practical. Grab a pen and paper or open the Notes app on your phone. Let's create your first success roadmap. Step 1. Write it down. But not just anything. Tracy's golden rule: write your goal as a positive, present tense, personal affirmation. Instead of "I'd like to," write "I am." For example, "I earn X dollars per month." Tip: be bold but realistic. Pick something that challenges you but feels achievable. Step 2. The SMART method. S for specific. Be as detailed as possible. Who, what, where, when, why. "I want to buy a car" isn't enough. Try, "I'm buying a specific model, color, year car by a date for reason." The magic's in the details. M for measurable. How will you know you've hit your goal? Success needs to be trackable. "I want to be successful" is vague. "I want 100 new clients by year end" is measurable. A for achievable. Make it challenging but realistic. If your goal's too big, break it into smaller milestones to stay motivated and avoid giving up. R for relevant. Your goal should matter to you. It needs to inspire you. If it doesn't excite you, you won't have the discipline to chase it. T for time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. A finish line creates urgency and pushes you to act. "I'll save $10,000 in 12 months" is way stronger than "I'll save money someday." Step 3. Make an action list. Under your goal, jot down every action you need to take to make it happen. Don't worry about the order yet, just brainstorm. If your goal is to start an e-commerce business, your list might include research suppliers, design a logo, set up the platform. Step 4. Turn the list into an action plan. Now, organize that list by priority. What's the most important step? What's the first thing you need to do tomorrow? This turns your to-do list into a battle plan. Having a plan is great, but execution is what separates doers from dreamers. Take 5 minutes each day to visualize your goal. Close your eyes and imagine what it feels like to have already achieved it. This strengthens your belief and keeps your RAS fired up. Read your goal and plan every day, first thing in the morning before you start your work. This keeps it front and center in your mind and ensures you're always aligned with what matters most. Take action every single day, even if it's small. Consistency beats speed. Doing one thing daily that moves you closer to your goal creates unstoppable momentum. To recap, clarity is power. Use writing and the SMART method to create a clear roadmap for your success. Your brain is your greatest ally, but it needs a destination. And consistency is the fuel that gets you there. Don't let this video be just another piece of info. Close your eyes for a minute. Pick one goal, financial, personal, or professional, and define it clearly and specifically. Write it down. Act on it. And watch the magic start to happen. Thanks for joining us. Remember, the future doesn't just happen, it's created. And it all starts with a goal. See you next time.